Hello, USC 308. This is Ms. Smart, and today we're going to talk about your parent rights in special education and the importance of your role. To begin, what is an IEP? An IEP is an individualized education plan. It's a legalized document where you will find goals and objectives for your student, services and support, and interventions for your student. Who's involved in the IEP? The teacher, the student, case managers, parents, the principal, and special education teacher. Some details about the IEP. Proper testing is done on your student. Then there's meetings held in which parents are notified. There's a proper time and place for that. There's a 10-day prior written notice. Parents can invite anyone, and eligibility is determined after all of that to see the services that will be provided for your student. Parent participation. At any time you can request an evaluation. You want to make sure you advocate for services for your student. Ask questions to anyone on that IEP team. And at any time, you as a parent can revoke services for your student. Parent rights. To ensure that you have the knowledge about your rights, schools are required to provide a copy of your rights at least one time a year. Upon a referral or parent request, first formal complaint, upon a disciplinary removal from school, and then again at any time you can request those rights and they will be given to you. Some rights that you have: to receive clear communication about your child's education and any information about your child's education, and have that clear communication. Participate in the education, and then of course a safe and appropriate education for your child, and then you have access to all the documents. Some ways that you can engage would be to check in with your children every day. You want to read communication that is sent home, ask how you can join organizations, talk with your child's teacher, use your travel time to engage with your child, and be their cheerleader most importantly. Thank you guys. And please reach out if you have any questions. Thank you.